In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store, then tap on your account icon and go to My Apps and Games. And here, the first tab is Update, so here you will find all applications that can be updated. So here you've got the apps that we can update, and you can either update them all at once by tapping on Update All, just like this, and then they will be automatically updated. Or you can update just one particular application and download the latest version by tapping on Update right next to app icon. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.